Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Roblox account's password on a desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Open up a web browser to begin and get to the login page of Roblox. To do so, type in roblox.com into the search box at the very top and press enter. From the main homepage, click on the login button at the upper right hand corner and you'll end up in the login screen. If you remember your credentials during the login process, go ahead and type in your username and your password in the text boxes. In case you don't remember your password and you'd like to reset your password, click on Forgot Password or Username link beneath. In the screen displayed, you'll be able to see two tabs. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Password tab and enter your email address associated with your account. In case you've forgotten your username, click on the Username tab and enter your email address to retrieve your username. In today's video, since we are resetting our password, click on the Password tab and enter the email in the text box. Make sure to enter the valid email address that is associated with Roblox. Now, click on Submit and an email with instruction has been sent to you. Click on OK. Open up a new tab and go to the email service provider that you associated with Roblox. You'll receive an inbox from Roblox. Simply click open the inbox that you received and click on Reset Password. You'll get to choose a new password for your account. Simply enter the new password into the new password text box at the very top and head over to the next field. Type in the new password that you're trying to change one more time and make sure both of your passwords in the boxes matches. Remember that you'll need to create a brand new password, so you should not be using your old password in order to reset it. Click on Submit after you're done typing in your password and there you'll be able to reset your password for Roblox. Even if you've forgotten your password, you'll be able to reset it with a few simple steps. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.